So what happens when a family of mice try to make a beehive their house? Well, let's find out now. Sometimes you find out that there's a mouse where you think there should be bees. I just saw a mouse in there, and that's what this fuzz is. It's a mouse trying to make its nest in there. So what I'm going to do is take this off real fast and see if it runs out of here. Look at that! Wow! See if we find some more of those rodents. We don't want the rodents in there. Bottom board's on the top. We can't have that. This little guy right here is one that wants to live out here. There he is. That little rodent was trying to interfere. He thought my house was really good for him. We'll let the happy field mouse go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! When the bees are in there, they don't let the mice in. But these have been sitting out here long enough for the mice to want to get into them. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that, and that concludes my story of being mice to the nice. It's always free to subscribe, so have a great week. Until next time, live life to the fullest and create in the creation and always honor the Creator.